Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day and turning it into a beautiful one. Welcome to the art of compositing in Photoshop. I am Moses Michael. I'm going to be your instructor in this course. In this course, we are going to learn how to composite a photo inside of Photoshop. This course is going to take you from zero knowledge to a professional knowledge of compositing in Photoshop. Compositing in Photoshop can be a little bit intimidating. That is, if you don't know what you are doing, thinking of how you are going to light your scene, thinking of how you are going to get your references, thinking of how you are also going to get your stock photos, thinking of so many things. It's really going to be overwhelming, but you don't need to worry because this course is actually going to break down everything for you into pieces so that you will be able to composite your own photo using Photoshop after you are done with this course. Let's take a look at what we are going to learn in this course. You are going to learn how to make a brief sketch of what you have in your head. If you have an idea but you don't know how to achieve this, but with the help of sketching, you will be able to have a rough draft of what you have in your head, and with that you will be able to arrange your photos or know the right photo to find for your compositing. After that, you are going to learn how to correct. Having a nice composition starts from your colors. If you don't know how to correct your colors properly, you will find out that you have some saturated images on your composition, you have some less saturated images on your composition. Most especially, you find out that most of them are not even matching at all, but with the help of color correction you will be able to make all your photos look like one. After that, you are going to learn lighting, which is one of the key part of compositing in Photoshop. And finally, you are going to learn how to color grade, that is giving your photo a new feel, a new look, making it look balanced and complete. By the ending of this course, you will be able to create your own composition, making use of Photoshop or any other digital art software you feel comfortable with, like Game, Affinity Photo, and so on. I'm really excited to be your instructor in this class because you are actually going to learn a lot from me, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.